How to create a seller account on Temu. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create a seller account on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to head towards the official website of Temu application. After that, there you need to choose the option of sign up. If you already have an account, it doesn't matter as you're going to create a new account as a seller on Temu. So once you click on sign up option, choose the option of business account and then you need to provide your details. After verifying your identification, you will be able to create your business account on Temu, using which you can sell your items. Now, once you have created your account, you need to make sure about three things: qualification, trade model, and brand qualification. Qualification and brand qualification is related to your business, whereas the trade model is related to your items. So make sure before you become a seller on Temu, you have ideas about all these three topics. So that's it. That is how easily you can create a seller account on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.